What's up, everybody? My name is Matt and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 more Solana NFTs I think you guys might want to take a look at. If you guys are new, make sure to drop a like, subscribe. Remember, of course, this is not financial advice, just my personal opinions on some projects. Let's get right into it. All right, so our first project for today is something called Soulmon. And honestly, this is one of the most innovative projects I have seen in recent time, and I really do like it. So they are a 100% revenue sharing NFT marketplace on Solana, fully doxed, and of course you can stake your NFTs to earn some passive income, which is always great. Now, as you guys know, the staking meta has become very popular recently, but the goal of a project is not only to have staking, but to actually do something else. And what I like about Soulmon is they're actually working on a marketplace, which I think is absolutely fantastic. So here's a little look at their site here. You can trade NFTs to earn rewards. So they are the first 100% revenue sharing marketplace on Solana. They also provide the opportunity to earn SMN tokens by staking, trading, and participating in the community. So 5,555 apes with some real utility. Over 50 different trades, stake to earn those tokens, of course, and save up to 100% on NFT marketplace fees. You can, of course, buy and sell NFTs at Soulmon, as they say. As Solana is becoming more popular, the ecosystem will grow, and they want to provide an easy-to-use marketplace. You can go on here, buy and sell your NFTs, while the stakers, people who are staking the SMN token, earn 100% of the marketplace fees. So they also mention why Solana is good. Obviously, low transaction fees, all of the great reasons why people like Solana, but they also give you some information as well about how to earn rewards. Here are the founders, and of course they are doxed. It is very refreshing to see people's faces behind projects like this. Very rarely is there such a level of transparency like this, and I always do like that. So they do have their partners and investors, and of course it is only family and friends and community. So that is very, very cool. Roadmap wise here, you guys can see this is what they have in store. They have their collection mint, of course, in the first quarter. The mint here is happening in early March with the website, white paper, mint, NFT mint, all of that. Then in quarter 2, they launch the SMN token, get listed on CoinMarketCap, and launch the marketplace. Then in quarter 3, we have some NFT staking, the airdrop, and the launchpad. Then in quarter 4, we have the Soulmon NFT multi-uploader, adding features to the platform, and some NFT education. So overall, very, very cool stuff. I really do like this, and you can see here on their white paper, they have a lot of details here, a lot of great information here about how their token works. You could see some information about their tokenomics and all of that. So definitely some great stuff that these guys have got going on here. And like I tell you guys in every single video, I only accept a sponsor if I actually like the project, and Soulmon were nice enough to sponsor the video today. And again, I very much do appreciate that. I love what these guys are building, and that's why I decided to collaborate. Before we go any further, guys, make sure to check out my Patreon, linked down below in the description, so you guys can see exactly what NFTs I am personally buying and selling. You guys also get access to my NFT watch list, private NFT Discord, and so much more. To be honest with you guys, I think it's a steal for only $10 a month. Link down below in the description. Now, the next project I wanted to go over here is something called Starbots. This is the first ever playable robot battle NFT game on Solana. They also have the bot token, which is pretty awesome. And here is some information. So 10,000 total NFT packs, which is kind of a high supply, but you guys can see, of course, your limit here is 3 packs. If you're a whitelist, you get 10 packs. And they also talk a little bit about how you can purchase this. So on the second match, you will be able to purchase with the bot token. And if you take a look here at their site, everything looks really good. I mean, you could see here is some information here from a trailer, and of course, they are showcasing a little bit about what their game will look like, and very, very impressive stuff. It looks polished, it looks well done, and again, these guys did not get on their Twitter 61,000 followers by being a mediocre project. These guys definitely look to be having a project that will hopefully last in the future. And again, you guys can see they do have a pretty extensive roadmap here on releasing different modes and different games and stuff. Here is a little bit about their tokenomics, how it all works, some of the robot collection, the items, and the team. Take a look at this. I found this to be so impressive. Team is just almost never ending. There are so many people here who are transparently working on this, who have agreed, I guess, to show their face, which I think is very, very cool. A lot of people that are involved in this, partners and investors, a great deal of partners and investors as well, including SoulScan, which is pretty awesome. Definitely do like to see that on there. So you never know. Starbots definitely does look like a good project, and definitely one I would keep an eye on. And the final project I wanted to show you guys, I believe I've talked about before on the channel, but their mint has recently been moved, and this is something called Drippies. This is, in my opinion, perhaps one of the best sort of aesthetic feeling projects on Solana right now. You know, this really does not have, from what I could tell, a marketing strategy that is built off of utility. It looks as if Drippies has a lot of utility, but I don't think these guys are actually marketing their project off of a lot of utility because, as you guys can see, they are really going with that kind of hype beast kind of vibe here. And of course, they say enter the Drippyverse. They're a vibey collection of NFTs that combine beautiful art with a passion for community, fashion, culture, utility, and education. They talk about the 5,555 unique avatars, experience, and passion. They come with a long-term vision to grow into a lifestyle brand and community. They are created by Florian Tepesser, who is a movie industry professional who has some experience, it looks like, with Sony as well, which is great. Here's a little bit about the team and some of their social medias, which is very cool. They have some examples of their art, roadmap, and benefits. Here's what they plan on doing in the future, and a little FAQ here at the bottom. So again, this definitely does look like something that, in my opinion, would mint out. It does look like something that could command a price of, maybe 5 or 10 Sol after mint, given the fact it looks like these guys really, are building on that kind of aesthetic feel that I find is more common with Ethereum projects than Solana projects. So with that being said, folks, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Make sure to check out the Patreon down below in the description. With that being said, my name is Matt. See you guys on the next one. Peace.